Welcome to another video of Twitch streamer discovery. So today we are doing Starsmitten or Starsmitten. I don't know which one is it, but okay. She had 200. Is it she? I think she, right? 242k followers. As I know, she had no camera. So let's see her about section. She had the Garden's Tale as sponsorship. Okay, it's a she. She's Celine. She's 27, as old as me, but she's more successful than me. She got so many sponsors. So jealous of me. Wish one day I can even get one sponsor. Okay, so let's watch her top 10 clips. Oh wait, she had camera, never mind. I think she most of the time no camera. I don't know, but like maybe I'm in the wrong time whenever I see her stream no camera. Okay, so there's a lot of games here, but I see there's a lot of League of Legends. So number one is Celine modding at Among Us. That was like last year, 60k views. Let's watch.
Oh my god, Sydney, you're a god! Sydney, you're a god.
What?
I can't. I can't believe you guys.
I
I
can't.
can't.
I don't believe you
I
wanted
can't.
toast. I knew it was Lily and Sydney.
What would win, guys? Logic and
I
facts, or
said
Lily
I saw
saying it's toast repeatedly?
Oh my god, I've never been tilted by this stupid game before, but I'm so tilted out of my mind.
Jesus.
Oh my god, is this
I
what
can't
people
believe-
feel? Is this why people
I can't believe
play
people
this game
refuted
and,
Toast's
like,
hard
get
evidence
mad?
by saying it was toast repeatedly.
My heart is beating. John and Peter!
Okay, John is Masayoshi, right? And Peter is Peter Park. So yes, as I mentioned before, if you don't cherish your friendship, if you want to break up with your friends and want to be alone, play this game. You make your relationship even worse. Probably even want to kill your whole family, but like, who cares? You don't want to be friends with them anyway. Just play this game, alright? So she has like very short timing for her to actually report body, but the person kill her already. Too bad. Sad life. Okay, second stream, Celine don't give a F. GG Twitch Rivals. So I think Twitch Rivals is referring to the competition that they have for probably Valorant. So let's watch.
Yo, look at this lunker dog over here. Congrats, Tyler.
Hey! Are you upset?
Hey, what are you
Trick,
doing?
you lost that
Put
second
your
game,
game
you know that,
in your
right?
fucking base. What do you mean? We didn't lose
Trick,
that.
you were gonna lose that trick! Are you stupid? There's no way!
You're fucking casting it out. You need your little
Dude,
fucking
you said all your fucking fanboys to game me! You fucking...
You need the fucking bore. The little bore holes in your little fucking pet, man. You
And what are you talking about? First of all,
tap your ass. I would
even after he we still fucking wiped your bitch ass.
No. RTLD CGG. That's right.
You guys were
That's
not with
right.
that game.
The whole
Dude, you
fucking
lose-
client
Yeah,
is fucked
Trick,
up right now.
Tim,
We'll try to play solo queue.
Tim,
Shut the fuck up.
don't be dumb, dude. Come on, you know we had that game.
You
Come
did
on,
that.
dude.
What up your tech, my tech? I got 50 shiny.
You're so salty!
Yeah.
Wait, relax! He's actually mad! Trick, you were not gonna win that game!
We were gonna win that shit, Tyler.
You were
down
down
in top base. You shouldn't be playing
You
around.
were- is your Mega Trick.
Okay, so just watching the drama of people who participated Twitch Rivals, and that team, I have no idea who was that. They probably lose so hard. They got their ass cheek clapped by enemies so hard that they have to fight over it. Sad life. This is why if I play games, enjoying the game is better than have a toxic teammate or even toxic friends. Don't know what's the point if they swear at you, like say you shit in game, What's the point playing? You can't even play good anymore. You feel so bad that you don't want to play anymore and throw the game. What's the point? So just enjoy game. Don't give shit about others. Okay? Sometimes even randoms are fun to play with. If they troll, it's okay. If they make you happy, that's fine. Probably if some people are gonna be so serious in ranked games, they probably will not like getting trolled. Alright? Well, TikTok, you know, that kind of thing. Alright. Okay, third clip. Celine gets partnered. That was 3 years ago. Alright. Alright.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, wait, give me a second.
Imagine getting partnered. I barely even have 30 people.
How do I do this? Does it show anywhere? Anything?
Nice layout. Nice layout. I like it so much. Very cute.
No, wait. Oh, wait. Did I do this right? Wait, no. Add.
Look at her, so happy. Not like the first 2 videos, she's so mad. Oh.
Guys, look at this.
When my turn? Guys,
Look at this.
when? Please help.
I'm crying.
I need partner too. My goal of my life is to get partner, at least. And go meet a lot of streamers maybe. Go to TwitchCon and everything. Please help me. Please help me, this little soul, to meet my dream. Maybe. Imagine having dreams. If my parents know my dream is to meet YouTuber or use Twitch streamers, they probably whacked my ass 10 years ago. Okay, fourth clip, Lily 1 vs 5 clutch with the up? Okay, but it's not her, it's Lily, so let's watch.
Oh shit. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's Lily with the up. Okay.
Run away and defuse.
Yeah.
She seemed to be not that good in the game, but she get a 1 vs 5 clutch. That's incredible.
You got 3 smokes. Easy.
Wait a little bit more.
Did the enemy no come? What?
This is nothing. This is destiny. Oh god, I'm closing my eyes.
Oh my god! Oh! Okay, I thought she's gonna get like 5 kill clutch. Apparently she just defuse and win the game. Okay. This is what your teammate do. He tell you not to pick first. Let the enemy go find you, then after that they screw up so hard, just like how you see here. Why you guys so dumb you throw games? Just one person stay in place. To look at the bomb not that hard. Why you wanna go hunt people? You see how you throw games? Even people clip it and now you're famous. You like it now? Okay, 5th clip. Clutch bars 2. No idea what is this, but this is a Apex Legend game. Apex Legend.
They call it X Clutch Bars Chew. Oh wait, no, that's a different nickname.
Okay, I'm pissed. What did you say, baby? Who did you
I said-
mistake me for?
X Pog Bars Chew.
X Clutch bars 2.
In my defense, there's 2 pure syllables.
What? Oh, LilyPichu's name is Choco Bars.
Do you have something to tell me?
So he make all the name mixed
Is this
together
how
become
you
Clutch
sound?
Bars 2. Very
Alright,
creative,
if
but
it makes
also
you feel
very
better,
cringe, Peter. I
When
think
played with
that's
the lady,
Peter,
I
is
call her
it?
Janet.
Or is it Toast? It's Toast, yes. I think it's Toast, the legendary Toast. Okay. So far, not much of a laugh. But she just like... long clips and like people, she just lose it or something, I don't know. Okay, 6th clip. Today is a good day for MapleStory. People still play MapleStory. People have like 3D games now. Why you still play MapleStory? You got Final Fantasy 14. You got Black Desert. You got Phantom Fantasy Star Online. Why you decide to play this? Why? Why you so old? Why you stuck to the old shit? But never mind. Let's watch anyway.
Toast, thank you so much for the host. I am legit playing MapleStory. But you know.
Okay.
Thanks for the host.
Toast hosted her with
I feel so
18,000.
bad for your viewers who have to watch MapleStory. I hope you had a great TFT.
I wonder, is this before she know Toast or like after she know Toast? If she don't know Toast and suddenly he hosted her, that would be mega mind blown. You know, that would be the best. And Toast is gonna be the marked as a shrimp. I mean, I can just say simp because YouTube allows it, right? So yeah. Okay, 7 clip. Celine.exe has stopped working. It's a League of Legends, probably trolling the game. Alright.
Look what you did.
I'm actually busy tomorrow.
Oh!
Is this Fastly?
Wait, what? I don't
Oh,
want
it's in disbelief.
Selena, you okay? You gave her hiccups! Wait, she's looping! She's looping! She's actually looping. Someone help her!
She can't breathe when she's doing that.
Stop!
Selena, you
That's
okay?
a very unique way of laughing.
I'm muting.
Okay. Very interesting.
Wow, we're...
This
Sorry that
summarizes
she had to rip
her
someone
stream
back.
itself. Okay.
Fine, also.
Oh, my cheekbones.
She have to laugh for 1 minute. This is incredible. Alright. Okay. At least I know how she laughs. So when I meet her, I'm gonna just say, "Oh my god, it's Starsmitten." I don't know how I do that laugh already. So sorry. Okay. The 8th clip. The most cinematic of sneezes. Okay, she have laughed on the 7th clip. Now we have sneezes. Is this gonna be sneezing like 1 minute too? Let's watch.
I don't think I'm gonna play Corky again for like a while. It just sounded like you like.
Oh my god, that's me! That's me! Holy shit!
On my desk.
I like how she did this too. Like freaking dancing TikTok or something. Yo. Oh god. Yeah, I sneezed that hard too. I sneezed so hard the entire house can explode. If I can show you, actually my roof is now gone. I'm just saying bullshit right now. Right, okay, the 9th clip, the hype is adorable. She looked different here. Alright, let's watch.
Alright, guys. The lion and the 4 plants.
Why so adorable? What's the point? Is this gonna be the alert sound you're gonna make for your stream when people follow, then you see her who like monkey? Back to monkey ages, please. Okay, that was fast. Now is the last clip. 10 seconds, but how long? Is this a sex joke or dirty joke? I hope it is.
I keep going. Speed me. How to speed? How to
Hold
speed?
on. 10 seconds. 10
Okay,
seconds.
but how long? Okay, I'm back.
Everyone out.
Bye.
Oh. Me also poo there. So literally what he said, that the cooldown of the skill. He asked how long, but she said 10 seconds, and he asked again how long. If your friend that dumb to ask you that question again, unfriend him. He's too dumb for you. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy this video and hope you guys understand more about Starsmitten. She's very cute. Should I say cute? Cute and funny. I guess you can say her funny. But like this is only like maybe 1% of what her stream about. If you want to know her more, please check her out. Starsmitten. Twitch.tv/Starsmitten. STARSMITTEN. Starsmitten. I'll just use that name. And be sure to subscribe to my channel as well. I do this video every week, every Thursday to be precise. If you guys have any suggestion, comment down below. I will do maybe the next streamer, maybe your favorite streamer, okay? And also check me out as well in Twitch, Nikito_gaming, links down below as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.